Welcome to this Looker configuration guide, creating your first dashboard. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating your very first dashboard in Looker. To get started, here's what you'll need. Access to a Looker instance, and a project with connected data sources and models, as we discussed in a previous video. The easiest way to create a dashboard is to start exploring data, creating a visualization, and using it as a base for a dashboard. Let's search for a Products Explorer and go to it. Let's create a chart that allows us to see the average cost for the products of each brand. Let's sort this by the highest average cost, and let's limit it to the top 15 results. We can run, and we already have our results. Let's tweak our visualization a little. We want it to stay as a bar chart, but let's make sure that the columns have values and that they're displayed in the correct format by entering the following value format label. We can click the settings gear to the top right and click on Save as a new dashboard. Let's save it to our personal folders and let's title it Product Breakdowns. Let's click Save. A pop-up appears indicating that the visualization has been saved to the dashboard. So let's click the View Dashboard link in order to open it. Perfect. Now that we're here, let's rename this style to Average Cost per brand. And save the changes. Now, let's create another tile to demonstrate a few more concepts. Let's work on a tile that shows us the count of products for a given category. Same thing as the last time. Let's order by the highest count and limit it to the top 15 results. Here we can tweak it again, make sure that we have labeled columns, and we don't need to add anything to the value format label this time. Now we can click on Save to an existing dashboard this time. Let's find the My Folder section, find our Product Breakdowns dashboard, and name the tile Product Count by Category. Let's click Save to Dashboard. A message appears indicating that the tile has been successfully saved to it. So let's click on the Product Breakdowns link in order to go to the dashboard. Fantastic, both our tiles are now here. However, they have very different sizes. So let's resize and put them side by side. Great. We can also edit this new tile in order to change its color and make it a bit more visually appealing. Again, click on Edit, go to Series, Customizations, and select a new color for our bar chart. Now, let's add a few filters. We can click on the top left section named Filters and add filter. Let's add a filter that allows us to see the average cost of a category of products for a brand. So let's click here, let's create a category filter, and let's make sure it only applies to the average cost per brand tile. We can also add another one that allows us to choose a brand, so we can see the count of products by category for a given brand. So let's do the same thing. Let's go here, select brand, and let's make sure it only applies to the product count by category tile. We can add this filter, we can click update, and let's save our dashboard. Now, let's test our filters. Let's add a filter that allows us to see the average cost for accessories only. If we click update, we can see that Tiffany has the highest average cost for accessories out of all brands. We could also see what the product count by category for a brand like Allegra K is. Let's do that and update our tiles once again. That's it. You've created your first dashboards on Looker. If you need help managing your Looker instance, look no further. We are a full-service Looker consulting firm. We partner with Looker to help businesses maximize their analytics capabilities. We would be happy to meet with you to discuss your current Looker objectives and help you implementing them. You could use the link below to connect with us. Until next time.